Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, I am your friend Shagatika. To know more about me, you can check my description and also follow me on Instagram in Insta where I post study updates, current affairs and my journey updates. Today is Shivratri and I am shooting this video. I know it took me too long to post this and it's all because my health was not good. You must have been noticing my voice. This is my detox drink, which I have been drinking for a few days. It's 7 in the morning, and I'm starting the first study slot in which I'm revising the current affairs notes. After that, I have to go to the temple because it's Sivaratri. After revising for about an hour, I took a bath and now going to the temple with mommy and papa. This place is really beautiful, so I am putting it in my video. If you don't like it, you can skip it about 2 minutes. Guys, all these you are seeing, Papa brought all these for puja tonight, and today we are fasting as well. Guys, can you hear what Panditji is chanting? Those mantras sound very peaceful to listen. And there was a small fair outside the temple, and a lot of people also came from the nearby villages. We enjoyed very much. Then we came back home. After that, within 1 hour, I got fresh and drank some water and started my second study slot in which I am studying political science. Those who don't know, I'm doing MA in political science. So therefore, I am studying the political science of MA, which helps me for my optionals also. After reading political science for 2 hours, now I am reading the notes by Vision IS. It's 1:30 p.m. now, and as you can see, it's getting very hot outside. night my mama made fruit lassi for Shivratri fasting at home. So I am taking it. Yeah, it's very healthy. After that, I took a little rest and thought to read Art and Culture at 4 o'clock. I find art and culture very interesting recently. After reading 2 hours, now I was sitting here to solve reasoning and quants, and it was going to be night at 6:30, and I practiced it till 8 p.m. Then I was feeling exhausted, so I could not study anymore and fell asleep quickly. So I end my vlog right here. Hope you like it, and if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe. Love you all.